In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to revert the Outlook Classic Ribbon view. The ribbon in Microsoft Outlook is a fundamental part of your interface. It organizes your tools and commands, making them readily accessible while managing your emails efficiently. However, sometimes updates or inadvertent changes can alter this view, and you might find yourself yearning for the familiarity of the Classic Ribbon. Don't worry, reverting back to it is quite straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. To start, open up Microsoft Outlook on your computer. You'll notice the ribbon sits atop the application window, displaying various tabs and commands like Home, Send, Receive, and View. It's designed for easy navigation, but we want to tweak it back to the layout you're used to. So, take a look at the top right corner of this ribbon. There you'll find a small arrow icon, which is the ribbon display options. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu that provides different layout choices for the ribbon. Once you click Ribbon Display Options, you'll see a few possibilities. The options here are instrumental in tailoring your Outlook experience. What's crucial for us is selecting between the classic ribbon and the alternative options like show tabs and commands. Choosing the classic ribbon will make sure that all the commands are visible all the time, restoring the previous look that many find more intuitive and easier to work with. On the other hand, you might opt for the show tabs and commands option. This choice offers a more compact view where commands are shown only when a specific tab is selected, providing a slightly cleaner workspace. For the purpose of those who prefer the old familiar style, you'll want to go with Classic Ribbon. After you make your selection from the drop-down, Outlook will immediately apply the changes, and your interface should now be more recognizable, offering the comfort of familiarity and ease of use. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully reverted to the classic Ribbon view in Outlook. It's a simple adjustment, but it can significantly enhance your productivity and make navigating your emails a far more pleasant experience. Remember, these steps can always be reversed or altered depending on your preferences, giving you the flexibility to personalize your workspace as you see fit. Feel free to explore and adjust other settings to best suit your workflow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.